Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for clicking on the video. Welcome to my channel Wonder Cookroom. Today we are making perfect pie crust. I hope you enjoy the video. Watch the full video for tips and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, let's collect all the ingredients we need for the recipe. Here we would be needing 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of caster sugar, 230 grams of salted butter. I won't use salt separately because it's salted butter. If you have unsalted butter, you can use half teaspoon of salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of iced water. Now let's start preparing the dough. Firstly, we would take a blender and add our flour to it. We are using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and the half cup of sugar. It's caster sugar, make sure it's fine. You can also grind the sugar if you want to, or you can buy the already made caster sugar. Give it 3 to 5 pulses so that our dry ingredients are mixed. Once you think they both are combined well, we would add our butter. Here we require 230 grams of butter. You can use unsalted as well. I'm using salted butter, so I won't add any salt. Make sure that it's refrigerated, not freeze, and yet cold. So after adding the butter, we would give it 15 to 20 pulses till the butter is combined with our dry ingredients. And now we would add cold water, 3 to 4 tablespoons. You can add it while giving it a pulse, but I add it separately for the video purposes. So when we are done pulsing the water, we would dump all the mixture on a clean surface. This mixture is sandy and that's totally okay. Now we would kind of knead it, not knead it like we knead pizza dough or any other dough, but we would knead it softly just so that everything is put together. Make sure that you are not being hard on the dough. Pat it together and then we would form a disc out of it. Here we are done making the disc out of the dough. It just took 5 minutes, and once we are done with making the disc, we would wrap it and put it in the fridge. Just a point here, make sure that your dough is kind of flaky. I accidentally added like 240 or 250 grams of butter and it kind of messed it up. Make sure you use 200 to 230 grams of butter. We would store it in a fridge after wrapping it well. I would soon upload another video on baking this pie crust, so stay tuned for that. I hope you all enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment what you think down below. Share it with your family and friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.